Hi, I'm John Cox, and today we're going to work on a Brie and eggplant recipe. To start, I've taken my eggplant and I've sliced it in half. Where the seeds are, I've made small incisions with the point of my knife. Once you have the incisions made, you're going to take whole cloves of garlic and just insert them into the slots. I'm going to transfer that to an oven at about 350 degrees, a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. And after about 40 minutes, this is what you have. A nice half-roasted eggplant with some roasted garlic. And I'm going to take a spoon just to separate the nicely cooked flesh from the skin. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm going to add a touch of olive oil. And using a cleaver or any kind of knife, really, I'm just going to coarsely chop it. I'm going to use the rind and the center, just a nice spoonful. Put it right on top of the chopped eggplant and garlic. Mix it in. You could do this in a bowl. You could do it on the cutting board, but you just want to barely mix it. I have a ramekin that I've lined with plastic wrap, and I have a few thin slices of eggplant that I've put on the grill. We're going to put 3 slices down, and then we're going to top it with a spoonful of this Brie cheese and eggplant mixture. After that, I transfer the ramekin with the eggplant into a small steam bath, which I have on the stove. So you can open it up, pull the plastic wrap to the side, and you're just going to want to carefully flip this onto a plate. To garnish this plate, I have a really simple pesto. It's just made with Parmesan, pine nuts, and basil. And that's a simple eggplant and Brie recipe.